welcome back to my channel. Before we continue to this video, click like and subscribe button to support us, and you will get daily updates, okay? The vehicle isn't dead. However, in spite of the fact that jaunty, clear-back hatchbacks like Audi's own particular A7 draw the majority of the features, cars like the A6, the most recent of which appeared this evening, still offer an adequate amount to merit showroom space with their more present-day brethren. Thus we present to you the 2019 Audi A6, which you can find in all its high-determination radiance in the picture exhibition above. The A6 is in its 8th era, and the most recent rendition acquires bodywork that obviously draws from the previously mentioned A7 and the bigger, upmarket A8. With a face that is grooved totally from its bring-forth-formed kin, the new A6 is identifiable by its rump. A fresh crimp running down the hindquarters of the Auto's sheet metal, transforming into a wrinkled forehead of sorts over an exceptional arrangement of taillamps. Chrome trim runs on a level plane between the backlights, which highlight opposite components extending down from thin, flat LED strips. It's a striking look that fits well with the back-sashing wide-set double fumes tips. Inside the lodge, the A6 again acquires nearly everything from the most recent A7, including its 10.1-inch MMI infotainment screen, haptic and powered touch, delicate catches on the middle stack, and 12.1-inch virtual cockpit check bunch. On the off chance that is insufficient advanced show tech for you, consider including the full shading head-up show. Audi's discretionary stopping pilot and the carport pilot enable the Auto to independently explore into parking spots or carports. Versatile journey and path-keeping innovation are made conceivable by a suite of sensors, upwards of 5 radar units, 5 cameras, 12 ultrasonic units, and a laser scanner are all installed. However, there is nothing very as advanced as what Audi offers in its range-topping A8 vehicle. Powertrain choices for US A6 models still can't seem to be reported, however we'd expect the same 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 and 48-volt mellow crossbreed innovation. In the A7, that factory presents 340 strength and 368 pound-feet of torque, and that appears to probably continue for the A6 alongside a 7-speed programmed and quattro all-wheel drive. Dynamic all-wheel directing is likewise liable to persist from the A7. We'll need to continue sitting tight for official US specs and evaluate. However, meanwhile, look at the picture display up above.